Romania, okay. Romania in the house. Romania in MOSHA Reggae Lounge. You need more beer?
Yeah, please.
One minute. One? Two? Two?
Five.
Five?
Yeah.
Cinco, presidente, por favor. Cinco.
Normal.
Normal. Normal. All I have is
How
normal.
much for extra?
Ah, the beer and stuff. I do the la cuenta for you. Romania. Good? That pepper is good stuff, right? Yeah, awesome. Water. Ah, you see the pepper is one water. Okay. This guy tried the scorpion pepper. He told the other one I have wasn't good, so I gave him the scorpion, and he can't handle it. But that one was good. He just wanted to show his friends. He was the boom. One bottle of water for this gentleman, the one that wanted the pepper. Cuatro, púsalo ahí, ¿ok? Cinco, púsalo cinco. Romania. This water is for the man who wanted to try the scorpion pepper. Here you go, sir. Thank you, my friend.
It's okay.
It's good? It's okay. All right, perfect.